Haliburton lakeside view. Life, it shines in you.
Hey everyone, welcome to Awesome Canadian Homes. I'm your host as usual, James. And today we're looking at the top tier prize, $2.6 million grand prize of the Princess Margaret Cottage lottery. This is the Haliburton Cottage, plus you get $50,000 in cash. And this is my first look with you. I haven't looked at these images. It's not a virtual tour, but that I am sure will come next. But for now, it's the pictures. And here's the front, which to me, man, this looks like a dream for sure. And it's symmetrical, which I always love. Two windows, like on each side. Yeah, it's just like feng shui, you know? Look at the water in the background. The driveway leading up. Can you picture yourself coming here with your family or friends or extended family? It's just so nice. I mean, you're talking over 3,000 square feet of living space. 4 bedrooms, guys. 4 bedrooms. This is a cottage, remember? 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. Anyway, so let's take a look. Next picture, please. Need Vanna White or something to click next for me. And here's just a straight on front image. I love it. I can see like just getting a little older, so you maybe want like a rocking chair here with a little dog, or big dog, depending on what you like. I don't know. But these trees will grow with you. Whoop. So that's nice to have in your front. Looks like you have a neighbor over there. On the side looks like a sunroom. Man, this looks so good. So fresh, so clean. It's just, you're the first one to move in. It's great. Linwood Custom Homes, great job so far. Okay, this looks like the back. Excellent. I love the little wavy walkway here of stones. Got the dirt and rocks just leading the way. Look at this huge deck outside. Couches, barbecues, chairs, and another one over there we'll probably see in the virtual tour, probably better where that is as I walk around. But man, this is really nice. Really nice. I'm loving it so far. Look at, you can walk underneath this whole, under the deck. It's not, clear to spider webs with a power wash or something. But we're really liking it so far, guys. And they're not paying me for this, but I like it. Next, Vanna. Okay, so just a little closer view of it. Again, so much room. I love it. Stairs look like they're not steep. Nice elevation up, so you're not struggling. You don't need a stair lift or anything like that. That's nice. Yeah, so far so good. What do you guys think so far? If you could leave a comment, that'd be great. Next. Dock. Yeah, so it comes with a dock, which is great. And you have 100-foot lake frontage. Say that 10 times. But look at that. So you got a nice frontage of the lake. This is called Drag Lake, which is weird, right? It's not a drag at all to be here. This is awesome. It should be called Awesome Lake. And then you got a beautiful new dock installed. Man, it looks peaceful here. You got the natural rocks, fire pit. Perfect location for a fire pit. I don't like the ones that are too far away from the water. So this is really nice. Can you imagine the dark? You got the fire pit. You got your loved ones around you. And then you're just making memories. And that's really what life is about. It's making the memories. And I think this would just be the perfect spot for that. Man, what a dream. Next. Great room. Yes. And this is designed... the interior design is by Lakeshore Designs. Their slogan is, what's their slogan? Something about a reflection of you. A reflection of you is their slogan. I think that's pretty sweet. And it looks so nice, like just neutral and just cozy. Love how the neutral tones and you got the woods just bring the outside in. I know that's cliche to say, but it really looks like it does here. Okay, let's go next. Great room, just another angle. Love the couch. I mean, I love how it just kind of wraps like the center here, just invites warm family kind of, again, conversations, right? Which we don't do a lot. Maybe have your family and friends leave their cell phones at the door and just, have a good conversation. People don't do that anymore. So imagine sitting around here enjoying each other's company and not on a digital form. Man, again, dreamy. Let's go next. Kitchen. Kitchen, again, just bringing in the same kind of whites and the woods. This time, these are Mealy appliances, so you're getting high quality in the cottage. I mean, this is higher quality than most homes. I mean, and this is a cottage. I live here all year round. By the way, year-round access, so year-round road access. But wow, what a kitchen, double sink. Yeah, everything's fresh and new. Has a new car smell, like it's the new house smell, the new cottage smell for sure. Yep. So I love it. You got 100-foot lake frontage, a dock installed, year-round access, and you got 2 people, Linwood and Lakeshore, doing a fine job here. Let's go next. Dining room. Yeah, I'm liking it. Simple, but I like it. These chairs look a little like I'd probably add something softer to sit on or back onto. They look a little stiff, But in a cottage, you want to be a little cozier than this, so maybe just a little padding or something. But six chairs at this particular table, and I can see already there's a patio set outside, so you can fit a lot of people in or outdoors depending on the weather. It looks like you got lots of options. A lot of people can fit in here, more than those 4 people, 4 that can fit in those 4 bedrooms. So, your 8 couples or whatever. All right, let's go. Oh, that's nice too. I like that picture. Dining room. Yeah, just another angle. Well, you can see the kitchen has the stools. You don't want to sit on those too long, but they're, convenient. Pull up to, especially for kids or something, pull up. They can have fun just hanging out at the kitchen bar. Let's go next. Principal bedroom. Yes. Again, Lakeshore Designs always does some amazing beds. And this is very, I'm getting into feng shui, so I'm going to make some notes about that here. But yeah, this is very feng shui. You want a backboard, you want your bed to back onto a solid wall, and you also want kind of similar things on each side, giving people the same space. So you got that. 2 bedside tables, 2 lamps. Yeah, very feng shui. And the beautiful light coming through, natural light, bringing in so much good energy. Guys, you want to sleep here. Let's go next. There's different view. Ooh, you can already tell this ensuite's looking sweet. I am impressed, guys. Let's go next. Yes, principal ensuite. There's your bed. That's not feng shui to have your view of the bathroom. So make sure you close this bathroom door before you go to bed and you'll be fine. Great mirrors. I'm liking this. Man, never had anything this. Well, I had something that's new, but nothing this great. Hey, is that an empty bottle? What's going on here? Fill her up. Let's go. Yep, beautiful tub. Doesn't look like it's near the window, but still very nice. I love this walk-in type of shower with the glass and the shelving in here is handy as dandy. Yeah, and the older folks can always put one of those chairs in and grab that wand and just wash up, feeling fresh and safe. That's nice. Love the colors and the textures. Next, great room. Boom. Just an upper level view of looking down on the great room and that pathway we saw a little bit earlier. Yeah, man. Look at that. Almost like floor to ceiling windows type of thing going on. Yep, open concept. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Screened room. Yes, this is the room I saw to the right when we first started this. And here's a look inside. Amazing. I'm really loving the white against this light brown woods. Man. And then you got the greenery. It's like every window is like a nice nature picture, you know? But it's reality. It's out there. Man, I hope you get your ticket and good luck in this. I haven't got my ticket yet, so please don't sell out yet before I get my ticket. But yeah, it's pretty nice, guys. Look at this. Very good. I'd hang out here a lot, especially if the mosquitoes are and the black flies are at the high level. I'd be in here a lot. Let's go. Sun deck. Right outside is the sun deck. Lots of places for people to hang out outside when on a beautiful day. Yeah. What's this? 6? Yeah, 6 chairs so 6 people can just hang out on this side. Look at this, so wide looking and so nice. The wood deck is beautiful. Oh man. Let's go next. Sun deck. Yeah. So there's another look on the other side. You got the barbecues and some more sitting places. Looks like for at least 3 more people. Or sit on some laps and stuff, right? And if you have a dog, maybe that'll be the dog chair. They'll steal one for you, for sure. Beautiful, though, guys. Put a pizza oven out here, probably, too. Whatever you want. With that 50 grand, extra 50 grand. Let's go. Boom. Woo. Okay, this is the loft. Very nice. 2 lounge seats. You could probably have people sleep on these suckers. But you can also do work at the cottage right here, or just do some write that novel you've been thinking about doing. Just do it right here. What better way to inspire you to write something, right? Or a love letter to your loved one right there. This is great. And by the way, the water is a drilled well. Heat is forced propane. It's cooled by electric air conditioning, and the sewer is a filter bed septic system. Next. Bedroom 2. Beautiful. Again, you can work, study here. Not that you want to. You go to college, you don't want to do either of those things, but you could. And look at that, guys. Bedroom 2. Again, see what I mean? The 2 lamps, 2 matching tables, end tables. Very cool. Keep those in mind when you design your own place, or if you want to renovate your own place. Okay, this is an ensuite too. Yeah, doable. I like it. I don't like it as much as the master, but man, this is ensuite number 2. So this is pretty good, right? Pretty nice. The mirror reflects off the window, so you get extra, just extra natural light coming through, which is amazing too. All right, let's go next. Bedroom 3. Very good. Cool little kind of like nooks here, right? But it works. Huge dresser over there. His and her tables, end tables, lamps. See, same kind of design, but it works perfectly. Let's go next. Ensuite 3. Wow, I like Ensuite 3 better than Ensuite 2. Because I kind of like, instead of a tub, I kind of like just walking in. That's nice. Great. What do you guys think so far? Please subscribe if you haven't. I know a lot of people watch these and they don't subscribe, but really would help me out. Next, family room. Yes. Little golf picture up there, little golf theme going on. So much room. You could have like 100 people in this place. TV, couch. I'm sure they'll show another view maybe. Let's go next. Oh, I like the yellowish pillows. Yeah. Goes with that gold stuff they have all around. This is the other side of the family room. A little closer to that TV you mentioned. Beautiful chairs, comfy. Everything looks so comfy here. Let's go next. I'm curious to see what you guys comment because I'm liking this one a lot. I almost have this kind of throw. It's green like this. A little different texture, like a rippled texture instead. But yeah, I like these kind of pastel colors they're starting to use again in 2024. Very nice, very nice. Next. Wow, wasn't expecting this games room. Usually they have like a little pool table or something. This is interesting that they chose golf as the theme. I mean, I guess I should have known with that little golf picture earlier, but cool, a little putt-putt area. That's neat. I mean, I'm not really into golf, but I could probably keep this here, at least for a while. Just see how it is. Practice your putting. And then this is fun to have that pitch, like huge wall mural, basically. Get you in the mood, right? You're actually on the green. That'd be cool, like in the winter. Let's go next. The bathroom. This is an interesting bathroom. I really like that. Again, with the gold whites. Yep. And that looks so nice and clean, like a marble effect in there. I guess it is. Would be marble, right? It's nice in there. Yeah, this time the white just really works in these rooms. Bedroom 4. What? How many heads can you fit in here? This is, for the children and stuff. But this is amazing. 3 beds. Single beds. Nice. Bedroom 4 looking great. Of course, you don't need to keep this like that. You can just have this one big, huge bedroom number 4 as anything you want. Convert it into a home gym. You can make it 1 bed in there. You can make it an office. You can make it a library. I mean, it just goes on and on, the options you have here. But if you have a big family, extended family, you'd probably just keep it like this. But amazing, guys. And it's not those ugly. Remember those beds from a few years ago that were like, I mentioned, there were like spooky hospital beds? These aren't. These are actual positive looking beds. Like, I feel good in here. Wouldn't feel creepy at all. Nice. And there we are, guys. That's all they have for us today. But I will share when the virtual tour comes up. I'll be back, like it or not. But yeah, thanks for joining me this weekend or whenever you watch this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Just let me know you're out there and watching this with me. That'd be cool, and I appreciate it. And I'll be back next time. Oh, who are those? Here's Together we can conquer cancer in our lifetime. And there's some people that have stories. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.